I see.
To say something about the dragon.
Okay.
Just do it.
There lives my uncle. There lives my uncle Labradoodle. He is very special to me. He is mixed with a Labrador Retriever and a Poodle. We once believed that my dragon dog was a Labradoodle. But after the war, he died. That later, where is my dog right now? Where are you, Mr. Bubble? You left me too.